Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add pages in PDF file. It's pretty easy and quick. You just have to follow the steps I'm going to show you. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Once you have opened up your PDF file, if you are using Adobe Acrobat, and I'm currently using that one, and if you're using that, you just have to go to Edit, then click on Organize Pages, and as you can see, there are 4 pages currently. Suppose I want to add a page after my second page, then I'm clicking on it, and once it is selected, there are 2 ways that I can add my new page or blank page into. So for the first one is I have to go to Insert, and then from there we have to click blank page. And the other one is by clicking on it or hovering on the page, there comes a box like this, and click on the 3 dots, and here you can see an option, Insert Blank Page. If you click on it, a blank page will be inserted after the page you have already selected. And yeah, that was pretty easy, right? If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.